Good morning children, this is Sumalata, Master Teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Yesterday we learned about in the previous videos we learned about the area. Now today also we are continuing the same topic area with a different concept. I gave here two figures children. We need to find the area of these two figures. Now first one here it is and here it is second one. Let's find the first one first. Okay. Now here and already I told you yesterday area of the rectangle formula is length into breadth and area of the square formula is a square. Okay. Now here yesterday only I told, here we will write here that to remind area of rectangle is L into B square units and area of square is A square. A square nothing but A into A square units. Okay, let's use these formulas to find this given shapes area children. Now first here this is not rectangle, not triangle. It is a combination of some rectangles. Okay, not one rectangle. It is a combination of some rectangles. First, let's divide the rectangle wise. Okay, so how many rectangles we can find here? We can find here. Now you see here. When I draw here one imaginary line, see children with a different color I am drawing. Can use the dark color. So here I can close. If I close here, I can find here three rectangles. 1, 2, 3. Okay, it means the given shape is combination of three rectangles. Okay, come on, let's measure this. First, let's try the measures of this. Okay, now first the base side we will count here. So how we can take here? See here. This till here children. See, comparing this, till here we have 1 centimeter and from here to here 2 centimeters. Opposite sides are equal children here. So from here to here opposite of this is 1 centimeter and opposite of this is 1 centimeter and opposite of this is 2 centimeters. Means what is the length of this side here? I can take this length of the side 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. Means the length of the whole side is 4 I can take here. Is it clear children? Up to here. See, comparing this length I am taking as this. Why? Because opposites. Okay. So 1 centimeter till here and I am comparing these two are the opposite. Okay. So till here 2 centimeters and comparing these two children. Okay. Opposites are there. So here 1 centimeter means down also we have 1 centimeter. So total what is the length of this total line segment here? 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4. So 4 centimeters is the length of this line segment children. Okay, and now this rectangle here one rectangle I can find, here one rectangle I can find, here one rectangle I can find here. Okay, so total 3 rectangles are there. Now this 1 centimeter means opposite is the same, equal here. In the rectangle, opposite sides will be equal. So here 1 centimeter means this side length also will be 1 centimeter. Okay. Now here 3 centimeters means up to here children. Up to here it will be this side length. Up to here. See, I am drawing here. Up to here 3 centimeters. And here also opposite. Here 3 centimeters means this opposite here. Up to here 3 centimeters. Okay. Now this side means from here to here already 5 I took here. Sorry, 4 centimeters. And okay. And here to here 3. See children, here total length has given already 4 centimeters. This line segment, this total line segment length. Okay. So total line segment length is 4 means up to here 3 already I told you here in the previous. Okay. So up to here 3 means and total is 4 means from total if I subtract this length I will get this line segment length children, which I am drawing with orange. See, total is 4. So from 4 I am subtracting this. So 4 minus 3. This length is 3 now here. So 4 minus 3. So I will get here 1. Means this line segment length is 1 centimeter. Again I am repeating children. This total line segment length is 4 centimeters already they gave here. So in this up to here 3 means the remaining part will be 1. And here also here 1 means here also it will be 1 children. Okay, it means when I am comparing here, now I got all sides length children. Now here let's find the area. Area of given shape is here. Area of given shape. So how I can find here in the given shape? I can find the 3 rectangles. So area of first figure plus area of second figure plus area of third figure children. Okay, area of first figure is rectangle, area of second figure also rectangle, area of third figure also rectangle. What is the formula of area of rectangle formula? Length into breadth square units. So length into breadth means in the first shape I am taking here length as a 3 centimeters. And breadth as a 1 centimeter. So in the first rectangle children. So length is 3 centimeters. Observe carefully. And breadth is 1 centimeter. It is a breadth. Okay. So breadth is 1 centimeter of first rectangle children. And coming to the second rectangle. Here also length is here. Length. This is the length now here. Sorry. This also you can take as a length here. So here breadth and here length. Okay. So here also same length is 3 centimeters into breadth is 1 centimeter. Plus and coming to third one here length is this is a length children. So length is 4 centimeters and this is a breadth. So 4 centimeters into 1 centimeter. Okay. Now next step 3 ones are 3 square centimeter square plus here 3 ones are 3 centimeter square centimeter into centimeter centimeter square plus 4 ones are 4 centimeter square. Now let's add this one here. 3 plus 3 6 6 plus 4 10. So 10 centimeter square. Area of the given shape is 10 centimeter square. Yes children, let's do this problem children. We will find the area of this given shape here. Come on. Now you observe carefully children here. Here I am dividing here. See. So what you are observing here, the given shape is a combination of, it is a square and it is a rectangle children. So the given shape is combination of square and rectangle. Come on, let's give the sides length children. Later on we will find the area of the separate. Then you will get the, if you are adding the two separations, then you will get the area of the given shape. Come on. This is a square now children here. So here 3 centimeters, here 3 centimeters. Means this also will be the 3 centimeters children. And this also will be, this side also will be the 3 centimeters. All sides same now here. So all will be the 3 centimeters. Now, come on, let's find this side length here. Okay, first let's find this side length. Here, up to here 3 children. Here you see, you can observe carefully. Up to here 3. Okay, and up to here 4. Means this side is 4. So up to here 3 and up to here 4, nothing but 3 plus 4. The total side length will be 7 centimeters. So the total side length will be 7 centimeters. This will be 7 centimeters. Okay, and coming to this part. Okay, this total side length will be 5, no children. Here already they given 5 centimeters of this total length. This side length. Okay, so from it up to here 3 centimeters, no children. So the remaining part will be this total from 5. We are subtracting this part, but because already this we know 3 centimeters, so automatically this will be the 2 centimeters. Yes, children, means 2 plus this 3, this total length will be 5. Okay, means how we got this 2 centimeters? From the total length of the side 5 centimeters, I subtracted this part, so I get this part length. Okay, now so if here 2 centimeters means opposite also will be automatically 2 centimeters, and it is a given shape is a combination of square. 1, 2 parts are there, square and rectangle. Okay, now here first, now I am finding the area of given shape. Area of given shape. So how I can take the area of the given shape here? Area of the first figure, figure 1 plus area of 2 children. Okay, area of the first, what we have here? Square. Okay, first shape is square shape, children. Okay, means we need to use the formula of area of square. What is the formula of area of square here? This will be A square, my children. So side length will be A, and here coming to area, side length will be A. Okay, it means area of the square we are using, it is into the square shape here. I can write here, and this is a rectangular shape. Okay, so square, area of the first shape nothing but square shape. A square, children, A value it is given in the figure as 3. So 3 centimeter whole square plus area of 2, shape 2. Shape 2 is rectangle, children. Okay, so area of second shape is rectangle, length into breadth. What is the length in this figure here? This will be length, children, nothing but 7 centimeters, and this will be breadth, children, nothing but 2 centimeters. Means 7 into 2. 7 centimeters into 2 centimeters. Okay, now 3 square nothing but 3 into 3. 3 centimeters into 3 centimeters. Plus here 7 centimeters into 2 centimeters. Come on, let's find the bracket values first. 3 3s are 9 centimeters square plus 7 2s are 14 centimeters square. Now let's add 9 and 14. 14 after, if I count the 9 here, 9 and 14 here. 14 after 9. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. I opened the 9 fingers here. So 14 after 9 if I count 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23 I am getting here. So the answer will be 23 here. So 23 centimeter square. It means area of the given shape is 23 centimeter square. Yes, children. Let's find the area of the given figure. See, one square paper given, children. In that square surface, in that some separated here. You can see here outer line pink color. And only something portion has shaded in this, and coming to this also something portion means something square, small squares has shaded here. Now let's find the area of the separation of the figures here, which is shaded here. Okay, now before finding the area on the square sheet paper, children, so first you have to come to know here, if the full box is covered, that you have to take as a unit, 1 unit, children. If half is covered, that you have to take as a half unit. If the portion is, means shaded portion is covered less than the half unit, so that box you should not count, means that should not take as a any unit, children. Okay, if the shaded portion is covered more than the half, so you need to take that as a 1. Okay, see here. Come on, let's count the areas here. I am counting here. Now I am writing numbers here. See, you can see total here clearly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, here again 18, 19, 20 and 21. Means in these shapes, not half, not more than the half and not less than the half. Whatever the numbers we counted, that are occupied by the full unit. So here, what is the area of this shape which is shaded on the square sheet here? So 21 units. Okay, 21 area of the given shape on the square shape is 21 square units. Square people know? Square units. Okay, come on, let's count the area of this shape. In this shape, children, here you can observe here half of the box also, which is covered the region, and you can observe the more than the half. Here also you see curved shape also it is there, children. So which is curved shape? One is covered only half square and one is covered more than the half. Okay, come on, let's count. Already I told you here, if the region is covered more than the half, that you treat as 1 unit. If the region is covered less than the half, means that you treat as no. Okay, if the region is covered exactly half, you take as a half. If the region is covered total full box, you take as a 1 unit. Okay, come on, let's count here. First, full boxes which is covered full square. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This I am not reading, children. Why? Because it is covered less than the half. Okay, so this I am not covering, not counting. Why? Because this region is less than the half. Okay, so now coming to this. This is more than the half, children. This portion, this square is covered more than the half. You can observe carefully. So this I am taking as 1 unit, which is 8. Okay. And coming to this region is covered only half. Okay. And this region also covered only half. And this region also covered only half. So here I am treating as half, and here also I am treating as half, and here also I am treating as half. So now here also I am treating as half. See, children, where I wrote the half of, that is covered by half of the small square. Okay, come on, let's count here, and it is a full square. Means more than the half it is covered. So I treated as 1 unit, means 1 unit, and here it is covered less than the half. So I am not taking that as a unit. Okay, now observe carefully, children, and now let's count again here. Which is covered the total. First I am counting that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And here half 9. And here half 10. Means what is the area of the given region here which is shaded here? Area of that is 10 square units. 10 square units. Yes, children, I hope you understood the area of the given shapes concept. Now I give the worksheet on that. Come on, let's see here. Now I gave here some shape on the square sheet, and before finding the units of this, already I told you, children, if the unit is covered full box, means you treat as a 1 unit. If it is covered half, means you treat as a half. If it is covered more than the half, means you take it as a 1 unit, children. If it is covered less than the half, by observing the figure you can understand here. If it is covered less than the half, means you don't treat, means or else you can treat as a 0 unit, children. Okay, come on, count all units which I shaded here. and write how many units it is covering the given shape here. And coming to the second part, figure, I gave the combination of some two parts. Come on, you observe carefully, and some sides length also I didn't give children. By observing the remaining sides length you can write, and you write the area of the given shape. Coming to here also I gave some combination of square and rectangles, you see, and sides length also I gave here. Observe carefully and try, children, find the area of these three figures. Thank you.